out there.
Let me just quickly count down the films that you gave us. And I tell you, it's like social service. You might think it's a job, but for us, who are the consumers of this content, hands together if you loved Sherni, guys. Please put your hands together because I absolutely love that film. Breathe, Toilet, A Love Story, Shakuntala, Durgamati. The list just goes on. So what is this like magic touch? You want to tell us a little bit about this? What's happening?
Amazing collaborators, wonderful creative and development and marketing team, and people who just help pick such amazing stories. And Abundancia Entertainment is a company that prides itself on being a storyteller's paradise, and that gets those stories out there. And then we partner with the best in the business to make our stories reach far and wide.
Amazing. I'm going to take the next question to you, Manish. My question is that, over the last couple of months, I've seen that you have or your team, has a penchant for giving us the scares. And your scares are refined, your scares are thrilling, and they're also great stories. So talk to us about why you are intent on scaring us so much.
Yeah, so I'll come to that in a bit, but I'd like to start with saying, how we got here.
Yes.
We've grown over, 200% in the last 2 years. And that's coming on the back of, two core things. One, we really and deeply care about our customers, and we really go the length to learn about them and what they want and when they want it. The other thing is we've had a very strong slate of content in the last 18 months. We've had massive hits and direct to service releases. We've had close to 50 releases in 6 languages in 18 months.
Wow, one second. We got to give them a hand for that. That is amazing. 50 releases, how many languages did you say?
6 languages.
6 languages. Guys, please, this is amazing. Yeah, this is awesome. And because I am that consumer, I must say, thank you for the entertainment.
And we continue to do more with, partners like Vikram. And now coming to horror, I think, and I truly believe horror is a truly underserved genre. The fans are many and they're super passionate, and we're committed to bring a deep slate of content to them. We've been at it for a while now. This is not the first time we're doing it, and it comes from deep learnings from what we've seen on the service and what we're seeing from feedback from our customers. We've done everything from Pari to Tumba, Durgamati, we've had Dibuk, and we're now launching Chori. That just talks about the things that we're doing, not just in India, but also globally. We have a partnership with Blumhouse, who's, partnered with us to release a slate of films. We've had many films released on Prime Video in India. We're going to continue to launch more. So yes, you can say we love scaring people.
You do, and I'm not one for horror at all. I'm actually the most scared person in Juhu, I think, because मुझे बहुत डर लगता है. And for some reason, Amazon Prime Video makes sure that they get me to host all their horror slate. And I'm just like, this is a cruel joke, because the last time when we did Dibuk, we were right here, and I think I was the one who was the most scared on stage. But having said that, I know that there's also a bit of an origin story, right? Like why this story? या ये कहानी कहाँ से आई? So I'd like either of you gentlemen take that. Vikram, do you want to tell us how this story came to you?
This story came to us through the director of the film, Vishal Furia. Is it all right if I talk a little in Hindi as well?
Please, मुझे हिंदी बहुत पसंद है.
मुझे भी बहुत पसंद है, और बहुत मुझे लगता है यहाँ जो हमारे साथ लोग बैठे उन्हें भी पसंद है. विशाल फूरिया, जिन्होंने कुछ साल पहले मराठी में एक कमाल की फिल्म बनाई थी जिसका नाम लप्पा छपी था, जो हिंदी में लुका छपी ट्रांसलेट होती है. ये फिल्म हमने देखी थी. मेरी क्रिएटिव हेड ने इस फिल्म और विशाल के बारे में जब मुझे बताया, तो एक इमीडिएट डिज़ायर था विशाल को मिलने का, उनके साथ इस कहानी को एक और तरीके से हिंदी में कहने का. एंड इन मैनी वेज दैट लेड टू अस स्टैंडिंग हियर इन छोरी. Horror, like Manish hinted, is a genre that's gaining in prominence the world over. In fact, at Abundancia Entertainment, हमारा फोकस हॉरर के ऊपर इतना ज़्यादा है कि एक डेडिकेटेड वर्टिकल लॉन्च किया है हमने, जिसका नाम है साइक, विच क्रिएट्स स्कैरी कंटेंट. एंड छोरी उसकी पहली फिल्म है. वी आर वेरी हैप्पी दैट साइक का डेब्यू विशाल के साथ हो रहा है. और इन मैनी वेज दिस इज़ अ स्टोरी दैट कंबाइंस not just scaring people with thrills, but also scaring people in an environment and with a subject that is so intrinsic to our society. So it was an easy call.
You know, I must say this to you that I may not be somebody who is very happy to watch a horror film, but the thing about the horror that you're putting out is that everyone tells me the one thing, which is that, Ro, it's a great story. And I think that's what is the precedent that you're setting, that it's not just scares for the sake of scares, it's also the story behind it. So having said that, हमने विशाल के बारे में इतनी बात की है, विशाल से ही बात करते हैं. Ladies and gentlemen, it'll be great if you can put your hands together and welcome the writer and director of this film, Vishal Puria. Please, तालियां पीछे ज़्यादा बज रही हैं, यहाँ पर बजनी चाहिए. शुक्रिया, शुक्रिया. Hi Vishal. Hi Vishal, big fan. सबसे पहले आपको ये बता दूं. So thank you so much for joining us today. You know, you are a true blue horror fan. I'm going to start with that, right? You are.
Absolutely.
So what was running through your mind, you know, when you were first writing this story? You know, where did it come from, and what made you make this film?
Okay. Thank you everyone for being here with us. This is a special night for us, and I really am grateful for all of you that you have joined us for this event. So I mean, when I was writing the story for the original, I was actually entering the industry after 14 years of broadcast industry work, you know, TV industry work, a lot of promos and trailers and all of that. So I was thinking, what different can I offer and what genre would that be? And that is where I thought that horror is something which, as Manish rightly said, is very underserved and it really needs some kind of a boost. So I thought, let me try with that genre. But of course, it was a little experiment. So, but the subject was universal, and me wanting to make a film which would be, because it's a little experiment, I thought, let me make it small. So started with Marathi, made a small film. Thankfully, the film was really, really appreciated by the audiences. And then Vikram sir called me, Shikha called me, and then we managed to make this version of Chori because they really loved the film. And when making in Hindi, it was very important to connect with the right people, because horror is something which not many people understand. So it's very important to collaborate with the right people who understand what horror is and how it can be made, who understand the subtext of horror. And that is where Vikram sir really, our conversation was amazing. And then trust and belief was there that this is the right person and this is the right production house where I can make the film with. And so we made Chori. So very, very grateful to Vikram sir for that.